What is Laminate is all about and how it works?
Presidente po ako ng Philippine College for Advancements in Medicine. Nagpo-promote na po kami ng natural way of healing for the past 17 years. At so far, itong produkto na to with the amino acids and laminin and fibroblast growth, isa sa pinakamagandang tool na nagagamit namin to help our patients. Laminin is complete with the 22 amino acids and it has the fibroblast growth factor. The amino acids are the main building proteins and repair ingredients of the body. And because of the fibroblast growth factor, which directs the amino acids to join together to make whatever your body needs, it is capable of repairing whatever part of your body is there that needs to be repaired. Itong fibroblast growth factor, galing po to doon sa egg, no? Fertilized egg. Yan po ang nagdidirect ng mga ingredients sa loob ng egg, paano gumawa ng iba-ibang organs na maging chick, no? So, ito, gagawing liver, gagawing brain, gagawing pancreas, gagawing spleen. Yan po ang ginagawa ng fibroblast growth factor. Ang ginawa po sa laminin, in-extract po itong fibroblast growth factor na to, yung ingredient ng egg, bago pa naging chick. Kaya yung fibroblast growth factor na yan, yan ang nagdidirect ngayon sa katawan mo. Anong tissue ang gagawin ng katawan mo? Kasi nandyan ang mga amino acids. Kailangan ba natin mag-repair ng liver? Kailangan ba natin mag-repair ng brain, ng nerves, ng joints? So, yan ang ginagawa ng fibroblast growth factor. Yan po ang nagbibigay ng command doon sa mga amino acids. Paano sila magdudugtong-dugtong para maging tamang peptide para ma-repair ang katawan natin.
Yeah, Mr. Leon, can you explain more in regards to FGF?
Sure. You know, the gentleman who came up with this idea, about 70 years ago, actually didn't know what the word was. It was only the stem cell scientists years later, 60, 70 years later, who gave it the name fibroblast growth factor. And what they found out was that when you're in the womb, before your birth, you had that in your body. But after you're born, the body doesn't make new fibroblast growth factor. The miracle is inside. But when you eat and have a regular diet, you can't eat and get fibroblast growth factor naturally. So this product is the only known natural, totally natural food source for FGF2. So it's an incredible product with a great results that I'm seeing from people all over.
Okay. Partner, yun, no?
Meron akong may follow-up na. Are you telling us that this fibroblast growth factor is like a radar or a nucleus of which everything will be moving according to its direction?
So para maintindihan natin yung fibroblast growth factor tsaka what we have discussed so far, siguro itong ehemplo na to ay makakatulong. Kung halimbawa may typewriter, may typist. Sa typewriter, may mga letra. Yung mga letra, yung 26 letters of the alphabet, yan ang katumbas ng amino acid. Sa katawan natin, 22 po yun. Kailangan yung mga letra ay magdugtong-tugtong, yung mga polypeptides para maka-form ng protein o kaya maka-form ng words. Ngayon, ang amino acids, yan yung letra sa typewriter. Yung typewriter, yan yung katawan. Right? Yung typist, yun ang si fibroblast growth factor. Okay. So pag naintindihan natin yung ganyang senaryo, ayan, we are now happy that we have the fibroblast growth factor that will direct all the letter amino acids in the body to create tissue, cell, organs, vitamins, minerals, enzymes, anything that your body needs. Ngayon, adaptogen po siya. Ang ibig sabihin ng adaptogen, babalansehin niya kung ano ang kailangan ng katawan. Kaya iba-iba ang responses. So sa ating good counselor, weak point niya yung kailangan lumakas yung katawan niya. Di lumakas yung katawan niya. Kung ang weak point mo, kailangan makatulog, papaantukin ka niya. Kung ang weak point mo, you need more energy, papalakasin ka niya. Kung ang weak point mo, kailangan mag-repair yung iyong nerve cells sa likod mo para maalis yung compression sa nerve at maibalik yung paglakad mo, baka sakaling maayos po niya.
Can you give us
benefits po?
Yeah, benefits of this laminin, Dr.
Ang dami-dami pong nagiging benefits sa mga umiinom ng laminin. Kasi po, panyari tayo,
anti-aging.
Anti-aging kasi, lalo na ako, training pa ako ng anti-aging sa US, no? Napakahirap namin gawin ng anti-aging unless magbigay kami ng hormone therapy. Kasi pag tumatanda tayo, bumabagsak lahat ng mga hormones natin. Hormones ang messenger sa iba-ibang parte ng katawan natin, ng mga organs natin. Without the hormones, wala ding direksyon ng mga organs natin, no? Ngayon, ang laminine, imbis mag-hormones tayo, ang laminine, nag-i-improve ng ating hormones. Maybe because of the amino acids, ayan ang mga messengers, no? Yan ang nagbibigay ng direksyon. Nakita nila with double-blind clinical study, nag-i-improve ang testosterone levels, nag-i-improve ang DHEA levels, no? Tsaka yung cortisol, yan ang stress hormone natin, masama pag masyadong mataas ang cortisol. Kaya yan, nababalance ang mga hormones natin, nag-i-improve ang blood sugar, nag-i-improve ang blood pressure, nag-i-improve ang mga memory. Kasi kasama din yung hormones para pag-improve ng memory dahil may messengers din ang brain natin, may hormones.
So, meaning to say, if you take this laminay, Dr. Imperio, makakatipid ka na, hindi ka na pupunta doon sa mga cosmetic clinic para sa anti-aging.
Yes.
But don't forget the libido. Don't forget the libido.
Talk about libido.
Yeah.
So
So it's this, no? Actually, medically speaking, just to for the benefit of those who are into, let's say, medicine, the specific action that has been discovered is that the formulation, which is amino acid, vitamins and minerals, trace minerals coming from plants and marine sources, and the FGF, or the fibroblast growth factor.
Yeah.
Fibroblast means the production of, let's say, cells, and then growth meaning it's promoting building up, it's anabolic, then factor, it is that thing that does it. Technically, it stimulates the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, and that will already almost involve everything. The hypothalamic organ is the midbrain. It is the portion at the middle of your brain. This is where your emotions, your affections occur. Then the pituitary gland is a very small gland, as small as a mango-sized seed. The first portion, the front portion, this is the master gland of the body. That means it will govern all the hormonal regulation. This is in medicine, in the field of endocrinology. Then it will stimulate the adrenal gland. The adrenal gland is that organ on top of the kidney that gives you energy. Adrenaline comes from the adrenal gland. It stimulates these three systems simultaneously following the homeostatic principle or adaptogen. That's why this will answer now all the other benefits like delay aging, improve collagen synthesis for better skin, more energy, it will let you sleep better, it will increase libido, burn fat, it will help muscle recovery.
Let's talk about libido, no? And you see, ito pong laminay, pwede pala sa anti-aging, partner. You need that.
After using, assuming that we are now using laminin, what are the don'ts after using? Do we have any inhibition?
Well, first,
Ano yung mga bawal?
una, ano siya, hindi siya gamot, siya po ay pagkain. So generally, as you would take food, you let your body guide yourself on how much food you have to take. But basically, the protocol is during the first 7 days, you take 2 capsules before you sleep at night, 2 capsules in the morning before or after breakfast.
Can you repeat that, Doc? You have to take 2 capsules.
Before you sleep, and 2 capsules when you wake up in the morning before or after breakfast.
Okay.
And that is the first 7 days. The next 7 days, you just reduce it to 1 capsule at night, 1 capsule in the morning. And on the third 7 days, either you continue or you rest, you stop. But on the fourth 7 days, you continue at 1 capsule at night, 1 capsule in the morning. So this is basically based on the protocol, the researches, the clinical studies that had been done on this formulation, that it was found to give a lot of benefits to the body. Basically, the benefit is adaptogenic. Simply, it will support the body, repair itself, build itself, and enhance itself. So this is effective to be used with the medicines or the care that is being given to you by your doctors.
Ano po yung mga bawal na kakainin, inumin,
Wala
matapos
po.
gumamit? Walang bawal?
Wala. Kasi
Ayan,
food
Dr.
siya.
Rosmea.
Wala pong bawal except kung allergic po kayo sa eggs. Kailangan magdahan-dahan. Kasi ang ingredient galing sa eggs, no?
So, ang maganda dito is that this laminae
Is food.
is a food supplement. So,
Yes.
meaning walang makakasama sa health ng
Yeah, so
tao.
basically, it's a food supplement. Let's say, ito gamot, ito food supplement. Meron sinasabing sa gitna, functional food. Parang gamot, pero hindi gamot, kasi food pa rin. Food supplement siya, pero higit pa siya sa food supplement kasi hindi lang siya nagbibigay ng vitamins and minerals. Like in this instance, meron siyang fibroblast growth factor.
So, pwede rin ba itong laminae doon sa may problema sa mental and emotional
Ay,
strength?
napakaganda po. Kasi gaya nga, sabi natin, yung amino acids gumagawa ng neurotransmitters para sa brain. Kaya kung yung mga neurotransmitters yan ang messengers para sa brain cells natin para makaisip tayo. Yan ang ingredient. Kaya gumaganda, magiging mas alert. Ang Alzheimer's, bumabalik ang memory. Ang Parkinson's, gumagawa ng dopamine, nababawasan ang kanilang mga tremors.
Okay.
Napakaganda sa mga depressed, talagang halos minsan overnight yung nakita naming result sa ibang pasyente, no? Ang serotonin po, ang natural antidepressant ng katawan natin. Kaya pag minom tayong laminae, tumataas ang serotonin levels natin, nag-improve ang sense of well-being at saka yung mga depressed, talagang parang nawawalan sila ng problema.
Okay, siguro gawin lang naman tayo sa oras, ano? Starting from left, there are parting message from you, Mr. Leon.
Oh, thank you. What I can tell you is it's an incredible product. I just feel so much better. I've regained 20 years of better health, you see. So I'm very happy to be part of this because I think we're doing a good thing helping people.
Yeah, Dr. Imperium.
So ako po, ang aking field of specialty ay nasa preventive medicine tsaka enhancement of health. Kaya ako po ay pabor na pabor sa mga ingredients na nilalaman nito kagaya ng fibroblast growth factor na makakatulong po sa ating kalusugan.
And of course, the lady is wearing black, Madam Berlin.
Ako po ay nagpapasalamat katulad ng sabi po ng marami sa taas dahil po isa pong himala na pumayag ang may-ari na dalhin ko po ang produktong ito sa Pilipinas na ikumpara na marami pong ibang bansa na nag-o-offer po ng milyon-milyon para buksan na at i-distribute doon. And in spite of that, just because of the livelihood program, he allowed me to bring this to the Philippines. So I thank God that something that can be useful for the young, for the old, for the healthy, for the sick, for the poor, for the rich. It does not discriminate anybody, and the price is wonderful. Hindi nyo po kailangang maging mayaman para makapagbigay po kayo ng laminae sa katawan ninyo. At makakapagpatulong pa sa inyo financially. Surprise na lang yun.
So, nakita po natin, no, na Mr. JJ is a bedridden guy. And then, luckily, when he take this laminae, he's very alive. And of course, yung pag-inom ng medicine, mga kaibigan, especially yung mga synthetics and so on and so forth, kinakailangan, there should be an advice from the doctor. Don't take medicine ng basta-basta. But this one, laminae, is a food supplement. Ito po yung very safe, no, na pwede nating magamit. And tignan po ninyo, pag-aralan po ninyo yung aming napag-uusapan. Pwede sa cancer, pwede sa pagpapaganda, pwede sa libido. Ano pang hahanapin ninyo? Ako po ang inyong kaibigan, Willie Espiritu. Kasama po sila. At maraming salamat sa panonood ng
FYI for your information.